looking for the perfect starter home or maybe even to downsize, this fully renovated townhome right in the heart of Bloomsburg just may be what you're looking for. Come take a look. While the spacious layout offers 2 large bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms. One of my favorite features, the oversized bathroom with convenient in-bathroom laundry because life's busy enough already. Need extra space? The bonus flex room can be whatever you need it to be. A home office, gym, craft room, playroom, or hey, even your own private retreat. This isn't just a renovated townhome, it's your chance to enjoy the walkable Bloomsburg lifestyle you've been looking for. Ready to take a look? Let's schedule your private tour today. Whether you're enjoying summer concerts, 4th of July fireworks over the Susquehanna River, or the ice cream fest, or miles of scenic walking and biking trails, you're gonna love having it also close to home.